So you just got all your computer parts together, but you need to figure out how to install your RAM. So today I'll be teaching you guys the 3 easy steps how to install the RAM into your motherboard. First step, figure out what DDR your RAM is. The reason why is your motherboard can only take one type of DDR. So right now I want to show an example. We got a DDR3 motherboard. This is a DDR4 stick. Now we'll fit it into the one slot. Now it may go in, but it doesn't lock in. The reason why is because that's a DDR4 stick, and this is a DDR3 stick, and it cannot interlace with the DDR3 slots. Second step, get your motherboard. Now this is depending on what type of channel you're using. Stick your RAM into the second slot. But if you're using dual channel and you're a baller, you have to use 2 and 4. So now I want to show you guys how to stick it in. So we're going to open up these 4 little things right here. Now we're going to take our stick of RAM. And a crucial thing to make sure is this little notch lines up with the line in the motherboard. Because if you don't check that and you force it down, it can either mess up your slot or snap your RAM. So right now it looks like it's lining up. So we're going to... You also have to make sure it goes in these little things for the RAM. It's like a little guidance thing. Take that. Now you're going to use a little bit of force, but you don't use too much force. So we're just gonna second stick, lining it up, push. Now let's plug everything back in. Now let's see if we get a post. So our fans are spinning, that's good. Red light, it should be just cycling. We got a post. Now let's see if we can go to the Windows thing. Here we are. So that's how you put your RAM into your motherboard. A side note is you want to make sure you want to put the RAM in your motherboard before you stick your motherboard to your case. That'll make it a lot more easy. So you guys have a nice day.